Hello everyone, just sharing today some hidden features about your Fire Stick. So let's go with the search area. It's the little magnifying glass. When you press that, that's how you search for apps or any other information in your Fire Stick. For example, if you're looking for a browser, you just press OK with your remote, you'll get this keypad and just look for internet. I'm just showing you an example on how to use the search area in your Fire Stick. It's right here, internet, it's this option. The application is here, it's called internet. You can access the browser. So this application is called internet or silk. Next option, it's mainly in settings. You go to settings. So you have notifications, account and profile settings. If you press that, you will see your name and you will see some other options about your profile. And if you press that, you will be deregister your Amazon account and register a new one. If you want to change your Amazon account, you can do it from here. So let's go to this next option, which is network. Network. If you have changed your Wi-Fi and you want to use another one, you just select your Wi-Fi like this, press the three lines in your remote. It says press select to confirm, forgetting the name of your network. This is the select, the OK button in your remote. When you press that, you'll be able to disconnect your Wi-Fi and connect again with a new password or with a new network. If you cannot see your network, you just press see all networks. You will see all the Wi-Fi's available. In display and audio, this is another more important information. You have the screensaver. You have the display. Display is very important as well. When you press that, you have access to an information called calibrate display. This mainly adjusts your TV screen. For the best experience, calibrate display so that pictures are fully displayed. You can calibrate display, press reset. The second option, you have video resolution. You can change the resolution for your Fire Stick. But what it suggests, it's recommended to always choose automatic. Automatically use the optimal resolution for your TV. You can go with 180 if you want. Next option is the applications. Applications, you have Amazon Photos, Stick Browser, App Store, and you have Manage Installed Applications. You will see how much memory space left in your Fire Stick. Manage Installed Apps, you will see all the apps that you have installed. If you have any problem with an application, like for example the YouTube, you can uninstall it and install it again, or just press clear cache and clear data, and it's gonna fix your application problem. Remotes and Bluetooth devices, you go to remotes and Bluetooth devices, and you have other Bluetooth devices. Add Bluetooth device, like a headphone for example. Make sure your device is on first, like headphones, soundbar, whatever. You will see it right here. You just press the name of your soundbar or the wireless speaker, a Bluetooth speaker, sorry, or any other sound device. And you also have game controls. I'm gonna show you that in another video. Add new game controller. It says pair, unpair, and update your Amazon Fire TV remotes. That's gonna be another video. And you have preferences. In preferences, you have a lot of information. You have parental controls, privacy settings. In privacy settings, I'll always make sure these options are off. Data monitoring, not important. Featured content, sync content, location, time zone. If you want to change your time zone, language. Another important information is my Fire TV Stick or my Fire TV. You have about some information about your Fire Stick, your name, device type, storage, Amazon account, software version, Fire TV home version, and other information. You have storage. network. You have all the information you need about your network. Install updates. You can press that to install updates. But normally updates are done automatically. Sleep if you want to turn off your Fire Stick. And these two options, in case you have any problems with your Fire Stick, you just press restart. Your Fire Stick is gonna reboot to fix any problems. And if this does not resolve the problem, go to reset to factory defaults. The first option does not erase your Fire Stick. It does not remove any applications. It does not disconnect your Wi-Fi, and it does not remove any information from your device. But the second option will reset your device to factory defaults. It says remove all personal data and downloaded content from your Amazon Fire Stick. It's going to remove your applications. It's going to disconnect your Wi-Fi, and it's going to remove your Amazon account. If you press this, you will have to set up your Fire TV Stick from the beginning. Another important information I'd like to share is accessibility. It has some other more important information. If you want subtitles for available videos, show subtitles for videos when available. You have Alexa captions. You have voice view, text banner, displays text related to the focused item in a box with a customizable font size, colors, and more. This option is very important. Screen magnifier. If it's on, you will get your screen like this. You will not see all the applications, and if you're watching something, you will not see full picture size. Turn off. So that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to share with you. Please subscribe, leave your comments. If you have any questions, have a good day.